We're not just a stem cell therapy and regenerative medicine clinic. Yes, that's an important part of our process in terms of repairing and regenerating tissue and restoring function, but it's really important to consider that what you eat makes a big difference in your overall health. It also makes a big difference in your ability to heal after we've treated you. So I want you to understand that, we care about you and we want to affect you on all levels. So if you're considering some dietary changes, feel free to reach out to us and ask us any question you like in that department. But what I would suggest and what I would ask you to do is educate yourself. There are lots of great resources out there. One of the great things that we utilize are like ketogenic.com or ketogenic diet, which is really consistent with our paradigm, but also paleo diet, which is also consistent with our paradigm. We want to remove toxicity from your life because that toxicity will create damage and dysfunction in the body. So once we repair things, it's really important to take it upon yourself and achieve health on your own. These are the tools, folks. These are the tools that actually help us achieve health, that help us promote function within the body, that can ultimately get us to a place that we like to be in terms of quality of life, but then also maintain it. So I ask you just, go out there and learn as much as you possibly can. And if you have any questions, you can always feel free to ask myself or anybody else here at our organization.